Welcome to Junadia Institute of Information Technology. Diploma in Computer Applications, Business Accounting and Multilingual DTP is the name of your course. You are doing Module 1 IT Tools and Business Systems. Windows XP, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, DOS and Linux are the software you are going to learn. My name is Qayyum sir. You are learning Microsoft Excel 2007. The practical or the assignment number 18 is in front of you. This is what you are going to create, this practical. I call it as the mark sheet. Here you see that there in the first column there are names, in the second column marks in subject 1, marks 2 and marks 3, then it is total, then the percentage and then the grade. So let me delete this much which is not in your guideline. Open page number 38 of your guideline. Type it in the respective column and then let us start doing finalizing this mark sheet using the formulas and function available in Microsoft Excel. So to calculate the total you need to click here, press equal to and then say B2. We are writing the formula to add these two marks, B2 plus C2 plus D2. So that's it. Press enter. It will give you the answer. 276 is the total. And go one up using the cursor key. Take the mouse to the fill handle of this and drag it down until you get the answer for all the records up to Anita. So the totals are here. Now to calculate the percentage, click here, press equal to sign and then click to the total of Amit, which is 276. Click it here. It is typing the cell address instead of 276, which is correct. So divide this by 300. Why 300? Because there are 3 subjects of 100 each, and multiply by 100. So to get the percentage we divide by the total number of marks and multiply by 100. Press enter. 92 is the percentage of Amit. Click once again, go to the fill handle, press the mouse button, drag down until you get the answer up to Anita. So percentages sometimes you will get like this. If you get decimal points, digits after decimal points more than 2, then decrease it by clicking this button once again. Right. So this after the 2 digits after decimal points are correct. Now comes the big question of finding the grade. To find the grade, the formula is we are using is equal to if, and then this function, it is not a formula, it is a function. It will find out the grade depending on the percentage. The percentage, if the percentage is above 90, what it says in the guideline page number 38, if the percentage is above 90, the grade will be A. So type shift and 9 to make the bracket and click here, which is the percentage. Say greater than or equal to 90, comma, then what should be the grade? It should be written within quotes. It is quote and capital A, quote complete, and then bracket bracket is not complete yet, but initially I will complete the bracket and I will press enter. So it is giving the grade, but this is not the formula. Remember, this is not the formula. The formula, the function is very big, because we need to find out the function should find out if the grade is, what will be the grade if the percentage is 60, 70, 80. So we need to include all these, criteria and condition in this function. So let me go back to this function once again. I will press F2. I will use backspace, then I will press comma, and I will once again say if. So I am using a function within another function. Once again, opening bracket, the same F2 is the cell address. F2 is the cell address containing the percentage greater than or equal to 80, then put a comma, then what will be the grade? The grade will be B. So like that you continue up to 60. The grade should be B. C for 70 and above. The grade should be D between 60 and 70, and the grade should be E if it is less than 60, that is 60. So continue to use this formula function. So what I will do, I will better copy it, then I will paste, including this comma, I will paste it here. I will continue to paste it here. 1, 2 and 3. Then I will change the grade here. I will come here. If it is above 80 is here, so it should be 70, and the grade will be C. And let us make it 60. If it is above, the grade will be D. And then if F2 or the percentage is less than, so let me remove this equal to, and I will reverse this to make it smaller than 60. It means less than 60, the grade will be E. Then come finally here, we have opened how many brackets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That many brackets we need to close it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, 5 only. Press enter, you will get the answer, same answer. But the function will, when you drag and copy the function down to this level up to all the records, these grades are different. It is giving C grade because it is above 70. It is giving D grade because it is less than 70 but above 60. So this function, you need to remember the function. What I will do, I will copy this function here once again, which is here. Let me copy this function for you so that you can write it down. I will paste it here. So this is the function which I used to calculate the grade. So remember, this function looks to you very big, but if you understand it, it is very simple. This is calculating the grade. It is, you have seen the percentage formula. You click here and you will always see the function here, and you click here, you will see the total here, the total. This completes the assignment number 18.